everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you do some little overview about my new Hermes Calvi. This one is in Etoupe color with Epsom leather and silver hardware here. So I really love this neutral color from Hermes, my favorite one. So I rarely seen this Calvi being reviewed here on YouTube. Maybe anyone is interested of what could fit in this little wallet. So first, let's start with the dimension. It is around 4 inches in width, and the height is around 2¼ inch, and the depth is around ½ inch. It's a very small wallet, but let me show you what can fit inside. And this is the comparison between the Calvi and my Hermes Bastia here. So this Bastia only can carry coins and some bills, but no cards can get into this wallet. So that's why I'm getting myself an Hermes Calvi. So let's see what could fit in this little one. Okay, this is my cards. It's around 9 cards. So we can put them here. Looks like so. And my bills, I cut the paper into the size of my bills, and this is around 15 bills folding. Then put them here. And if you want extra cards, I already try. This is 4 cards, around 4, and we can put them here. And it close like so. I think, oops, it's open. I think this is the maximum we could carry for this Calvi, around 13 cards and 15 bills, but you can arrange it as much as you like. I mean the bills and the cards, but the maximum I have tried, that's all that can fit in here. And this gap here is really annoying. You can see if it folds and it looks like this, but once you put it in your bag, and it will flatten like this, because you surely have other things in your bags, right? So I find this wallet is very nice for a little compact wallet for our mini bags or smaller bags. I find myself keep searching for a slimmer and slimmer wallet, and I think this one is a perfect choice for now, because it's so sleek, no metals, nothing here. So okay guys, I think that's all I will share with you today. I will use this wallet from today on, and maybe I can give you my thoughts if I change my mind later on after I use this for some time. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.